Hey, bud. Hey!
Hey!
Tell the people what stupid you're doing today.
Modifying a sled that nobody wants to modify.
Hey,
so,
on a side note, look at this JF board. I haven't done anything on this yet.
yeah, I know.
Should we do? We'll do this on another video, but
yeah, that's
long track ET250.
That is a classy unit. That's
it
a
is.
whole other ordeal.
Do a little quick look here. A little quick look, but there'll be another video.
Don't.
What?
Just a quick little peeky.
Oh, okay.
Just like a little. There you go.
That's it. It's 250, bud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways.
Yeah. So Jeff picked up this piss poor venture here.
Yeah.
With a. Where's the other skid? Do you have the other skid?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Okay, so long story short, long track venture. Pretty cool, right? Kind of. So, buddy gets the thing, doesn't look at it, obviously.
Nope.
Well,
cheap.
price was right, so it doesn't even, all this doesn't even matter. But anyway, check out this skid. I've never seen this skid extendo before. So, you know, you look at it, right? Oh, nice 136. Polaris skid, by the way.
Before we go and reveal this, remember, patent is pending on this.
Okay, yeah, check this out.
Yeah.
Ooh, so I don't know if you can tell, but this is a 121 skid. And someone did the old extendo mod by cutting the back of another 121 skid off and bolting it to a 121 skid. Oh, look at that too.
Yep. Yeah, it's all good. Just blast holes wherever you feel like, you know?
So we took the Polaris skid out because that's not right. We don't want to be playing with that kind of shit here. And we bought another Polaris skid. But it doesn't have the homemade extendo mod. It's actually, it's a 136 or 133. And I don't even know if
that's
it's...
a 136.
Is this a 136?
Yeah,
okay.
136 Xtra-10.
Xtra-10, and it's actual full rails, not, you know, haggard shit. So now we're just trying to figure out how to mount it up here. So we started by, well, first of all, we should say that I don't really know what the f we're doing here.
No.
But well, the way we were thinking is we have Jeff's hoist here, and we're kind of just sitting the sled level where it looks like it would sit, you know, properly. Anyway, the back end's not too high, not too low. And we got our front plates figured out, so...
I know these plates are pretty ugly, but originally that's what was there, so we're just kind of cleaning it up with some better plates.
Yep, so mounting the front plates, and where the sled's sitting now, we kind of feel like it's going to sit, you know, I don't know, it looks like it sits properly.
Yep.
So we remove the rear drop brackets where it mounts under the running boards, and we're going to have to move those back, which means we have to cut some of this also haggard extension, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, I don't know. That's where we're at. Fire it up for the guys, though. Let them hear this thing.
Yeah, okay, you want to hear that? All right.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it starts up first shot every
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, wait,
also
it doesn't run. Oh,
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Anyways, I don't know. Yeah, let's just start struggling more than we already have.
I just drill holes.
Hey, hopefully you run out of rivets soon, because I kind of want a berg, bud.
This freaking tunnel. Oh, a couple bergs, yeah. That's gonna happen.
What's wrong with the tunnel?
Well,
that thing's straight is now straighter than you are.
How many damn holes there is in this thing?
Yeah, there's a lot of holes in this.
The old Swiss cheese tunnel.
Yeah. Oof. Oh well. Yeah, we'll you know, yeah. Yep.
We gonna do?
Yeah, I don't know. Well, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna put the plates where they land, and wherever the holes are there, you know, holes.
You want a long track venture? Sometimes you gotta do these things.
Sometimes you gotta do these things. You know what? Legitimately, I bet you that Xtra-10 skid rides way better than the 136 skid that would have came in one anyways. But
yeah,
probably those Xtra-10 skids were pretty good.
I don't know. I'm just starting to really love these ventures. Are weird sled to start liking.
Yeah, weird guy for a weird sled kind of matches up. Okay, anyways. Let's, I don't know, do whatever we got to do. Anyways. Skid's in, bud.
Skid is in.
It went all right, no?
No, not too bad.
Thought it went pretty good.
Some issues centering it and all that. And,
yeah, I ran into a couple little issues, but in the end, it worked good. Let me see the hangulation here. It's like pretty level, no? Like
no, it sits good.
It sits nice. It's not sitting too high or anything stupid.
The drivers pretty well.
Yeah, there's not like some crazy angle coming off the rail tips to the drivers. It's all, I don't know, pretty good. It felt good too when we had it like off the rollers, just on the ground. The suspension actually feels like it works really good.
We tried to reuse some of these holes that he had.
Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of holes in the tunnel, but we reused whichever ones we could to hit those plates, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, look at this. And nice. Someone really tried hard here to get these lined up. Yeah, cool. Cool. I don't know. Worked pretty good.
Yeah.
Go drive it, but you know, can't always get what you want, right? Another time. Video.
You know, just one adventure, it doesn't run.
It's not a big deal.
Screwed, so it needs to
hey, at least it's got a good skid in it.
Has a nice seat cover.
It's got an hey, look at the seat cover. Check
I think
this
the
out.
seat cover is what put me over the top there. I seen the seat cover, I got all excited. Yeah.
Not bad. So yeah, if you want to put a
136
Polaris skid in a Venture or a sled other than what it came out of, that's how you do it.
Yeah, it seems like Xtra-10's fitting everything because like people put them in the ETs.
Yeah, I guess people put them in the ETs too. Honestly, it sits like with the way it's level and stuff. Like it sits really good. I don't know. It looks really really good.
Damn near looks factory other than like the.
And like I said, I bet you.
Plates.
Yeah, well, whatever. Yeah. I bet you it honestly rides better than the 136 skid that probably would have came in the long track ones. I bet you. The Xtra-10 was a good skid, man. I don't know.
Well, no. I'll probably want to buy one long track ones too. So.
Oh, another venture. Anyways,
couple ventures.
Couple of ventures. Go on a venture, eh?
Yep.
What else? I think that's it, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, mileage? Maybe the fact that I looked at it real quick and thought I had 3.
Yeah, buddy went and bought it. He's like, yo, dude, it's only got 3,000 K on it.
It's the middle of the night there. Come on.
Yeah, she's about 13, my guy. You missed a key. You missed a key number there.
Yeah, but I got good compression. We
just checked compression. It was about 115, 120 or whatever it was.
Yeah.
120, I think, or whatever. Yeah, compression's really good. It's just gonna need, carb clean, whatever, minor stuff, but I don't know. It's got sparks, it's got really good compression. It's gonna run. It'll be fine.
Hell yeah.
And
that's it.
I think that's it. Yeah, that's all we got.
A couple ventures.
Bud. So yeah, you want to put a skid in something other than what it came from? That's how you do it.
Yeah, that's like everything I have here right now.
Oh yeah, even the ET too. Also, it's got a 136. What is it? 136? I don't even know what it is. Is it 136?
That's 136 as well.
With a scab piece of a 340 tunnel or something on it.
I don't know who the hell thought it was a good idea, but they actually scabbed a tunnel extension off a 340T. And if you look, the 250 had a shorter tunnel by a couple inches.
Yeah.
So when you scab this piece on, okay, yeah, it works good, but your flap hits your...
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yep. And that was just the 250, had a bit shorter tunnel. The 250 tunnel and front end was different.
Sledder rub, bud. Who cares?
Yeah.
Or you can just I wonder if you can heat the flap and put like a bend in it to bend it away from.
Oh, I like it just like that.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Hey, get on that. Show the people the good suspension travel.
Oh yeah, tons of travel on this one here.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh, not to mention, check this thing out.
Oh, the old vintage apparel.
Matching.
Yeah.
Anyways. That's it for this video. There'll be more on this thing because Mikuni swap stuff, blah, 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 blah. Plus, whenever we get snow, which we don't have yet, drive the thing, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Peace. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Take care. Go over here. Hey! Subscribe to the channel.